In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an About page on WordPress.com. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or someone simply looking to harness the power of WordPress, an About page is crucial for telling your story, explaining your mission, or building a connection with your visitors. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. Open your web browser and search for WordPress.com login. You'll find a link, WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. Click on it to access the login page. Enter your account credentials to sign in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for building and managing your site. Look around. Familiarizing yourself with this area is essential. Now navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll find Pages. Click on it. This is where all the pages of your website live. Next, it's time to create a new page. At the top, you should see an Add New button. Give it a click, and you're on your way to establishing your About page. You'll now be in the WordPress editor, a place where creativity meets functionality, providing you the tools to bring your ideas to life. Start by clicking on the title area. Here, type in About, or any title you deem fit for your page. Moving down, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your tool for adding various media elements such as images or site logos. Feel free to explore these options to enhance your page visually. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Now, it's time to dive into more detailed elements of your About page. Locate the area for meta description. This part is crucial for search engines. It's your chance to summarize your page, making it appealing to potential visitors. Write a succinct and compelling description here. As you build your page, consider adding cornerstone content. This feature is important for highlighting content that is particularly pivotal to your site. Choose pieces that reflect your mission or goals. It's a way to ensure your audience focuses on what truly matters. Next, focus on keywords, the linchpin of search engine optimization. You'll start with the focus keyword. This should be a primary keyword that encapsulates the essence of your About page. Type it in, and WordPress will track its presence on your page. Consider adding additional keywords, which provide more depth to how your page is indexed by search engines. This strategy broadens the scope of terms associated with your content, enhancing discoverability. Before you wrap up, take advantage of page analysis. This tool gives practical insights into the performance of your page, offering suggestions for optimization. Implementing these recommendations can help turn your About page into a compelling narrative that not only informs, but also engages your audience. Finally, don't forget to save your masterpiece. Locate the Save button and click it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. You've just created a compelling About page on WordPress.com, setting the foundation for sharing more about your journey and vision. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see how you bring your own About page to life.